Hello guys, welcome to yet another video tutorial of Shopify. In this video tutorial I will be telling you how you can edit products, orders and customer informations in bulk. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the screen. So here we are under the product section. We are selected all products. So for activating the bulk editor, you have to select all the products you have to edit. Like I want to edit all the products in my store, and I want to raise the price of each and every product. So I will select all the products by clicking here. I will show you again by clicking here and selecting all plus products in your store. It will select all the products in your store. So I will edit products, and bulk editor is activated. So here you can select what you have to edit. Like I want to edit price like this you can edit, or you want to edit price in bulk. So you will select this column, and let's say you want to edit price till here and you have to put the same price. So I will select this column and uh, press shift and click on the column till which one you have to select and enter the price of all the products mm, are changed at once. So you can go for all these one by one. And if you haven't find these quantities like barcode, inventory, or you want to find any other like weights, weight you have to edit for Shopify shippings. So you will go here, add fields, and you can add whatever you want like product type, product tags and templates. You can also filter sales channels like available to Google or available to Facebook, mm, or available to online store. Or you can edit taxes, add taxes, by simply clicking on these options. Like say I want to edit the weight of each of everyone. So I will just continue here. So I'm adding the weight option here, and as you can see here, a weight is now available to edit. So as you can see here, we can edit weight. As you can see, weight we can edit in bulk. So like this you can edit products in bulk, and also you can edit orders and um, customer information in bulk. Like I will save here and show you. I will not save this, and we'll go to customer. And as you can see here, so as you can see, bulk editor is active. So we can add fields similar to a product bulk editor. Also you can edit inventory, collection and transfer all at once. So bulk editor is very time saving, invented by Shopify. So I will highly recommend to use it. Who started this video is still watching right now. Thank you very much for watching. I value your time, and because you are watching the entire video, I hope you are getting the whole value from this content. That's it for this video.